Today is the most special Tommy Hilfiger video that I've ever recorded. Why is that? Well, I've been sent a gift directly from Mr. Hilfiger himself. The legend, Thomas Hilfiger, sent me a gift. What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video, the most special Tommy Hilfiger video to date. You guys, I cannot believe I received a gift from the icon, Thomas Hilfiger. And you're probably wondering, like, how the heck did that happen?
What in the world?
I'm shook myself, and this experience is nuts, and I'm super excited that I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys. Because if you're here watching this, you've probably been on this journey with me with my whole Tommy Hilfiger collection now for years. And I'm happy to say I've been in contact with Mr. Hilfiger for some time now. We do exchange words, we do converse. He's incredible, and he's honestly been an inspiration to me since I was a child. And this moment we're about to share together is just something that really, like, I need to take a step back and remember where I started filming videos of my Tommy Hilfiger collection, and we came a long way. This is insane, and this moment all started by me sharing something on Instagram that I've been wanting for a very long time, and one thing led to another. Mr. Hilfiger asked what waist size I was, and he asked to send me a piece from his daughter's company, which is 𝗬𝗲, an amazing company, a very progressive, experimental, and fun company. Honestly, like, all these pieces that Elizabeth Hilfiger creates are very just under the radar. I have to say, like, everything is industrial, street style, very mechanical in a way. It's hard to explain, but I'm gonna share all the information for 𝗬𝗲 if you're not already aware in the description down below. But I'm super excited to open this up. I know they're a pair of pants, and I also have something right here, which I'm not too sure what is in this bag, so this is gonna be a surprise for us together. We're gonna open up the 𝗬𝗲 package first because I'm excited to see what pants Tommy wanted me to add to my collection. And I am not too familiar with 𝗬𝗲. I have, of course, been following the brand for some time now because it is a protege, Mr. Hilfiger. And of course, we gotta support the family. This box is insane. I'm not sure if you guys are catching this, but the packaging, it just, like, looks very urban and very cool. Very much like, I don't know, it's giving me very street style. So I appreciate that. And we're open. There was quite a bit of tape on this, so it took me a hot sec. All right, let's check this out. Ooh. Oh my gosh, we have a card here, you guys. This is insane. So this is the box. First impression, 𝗬 and Tommy. I love that. So 𝗬 is basically the nickname of Elizabeth Hilfiger. That was her nickname since she was little. And basically, 𝗬𝗲 is just inspired off of 𝗬 and the artist. So whoever, you know, decides to experiment with the brands. I'm super excited. So this right here is basically a thank you card. Hey George, here's the coolest jeans by my daughter, Elizabeth Hilfiger, 𝗬𝗲. Oh my goodness. They will look great on you. Hope you can come to New York City in September, our fashion show.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Whoa, what? Okay. That is insane. So, this is pretty incredible, and you can count on me being at your fashion show. If this is real, if I'm not dreaming right now, I will be there. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Pants. These, I can already tell, I love the wash. And there's some chains, like I said, guys, very industrial, very much mechanical, which I appreciate. I love that urban vibe. I always call myself the urban prep because it's my style. These are sick. Oh my goodness. No way. Oh my god. So this denim, first and foremost, feels luxurious. This feels like a luxury piece of couture. I'm shook. So let's see the front. We have all these straps here. These are freaking awesome. This is insane. You guys, this is nuts. take a look at the hardware here. Now this isn't just any normal hardware, it actually does say 𝗏𝗏, so it is embossed. We have the logo everywhere. This is insane. So a lot of the pieces from 𝗏𝗏, I did actually watch a lot of interviews, and that was part of 𝗦𝗏𝗧 𝗏 Live on her Instagram and on her website actually. And I do appreciate how you could just utilize the pieces of clothing in fun ways. So I'm guessing you could probably like cuff these and make them into like shorts or something. I'm guessing, I don't quite know, I'm just assuming, because a lot of this stuff is inventive. Inventive, is that a word? But these are just beyond, these are insane. Like that whole side right there with all these straps, I'm shook. These are nuts. Also, we have the back. We gotta pay a moment right here to the logo on the back. We gotta have branding. And of course, on the button right there. Very sick. You know, on this channel, we always pay attention to packaging, and this right here is the 𝗏𝗏 packaging. It says multi-loop jeans in a medium wash. These are size 32. I'm super excited. So normally I'm a size 30 waist. I'm hoping, I don't see why they won't fit. If not, I'm gonna make them fit. But these are insane. Thank you, Mr. Hilfiger. I'm super excited to have these in my collection and rock these and put together a really cool look and support your daughter in her amazing brand. Let me also share with you, inside the box there was tissue paper, and I'm a dork like that. I like to pay attention to detail, but we have some 𝗏𝗏 tissue paper, which you know I'm gonna save, of course. Moving on to the Tommy Hilfiger package that I have here. I'm beyond shook right now. Like, this is an insane experience. I'm a little flustered, overwhelmed, shook to the core. I'm all of the above. I'm a mix of emotions right now. This is insane. So let's open this up. This is a surprise. I actually have no idea what is in this package. I am so excited right now. I'm like holding back tears. This is nuts. But here we go. You guys, if you follow the House of Hilfiger on Instagram, you know that I've been posting so much about this sweater. Like, I'm about to get emotional right now. I have wanted this sweater since the Modern Prep campaign was launched. Oh my god, this is a sweater vest. I'm shook. I literally posted so much about this on my Instagram, how much I wanted it, but just buying my first house, you know, I'm a little bit, finances are a little booked right now, so I finally have it. This is, oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Oh, it's oversized, which I appreciate because that's what I wanted, an oversized sweater vest. Oh my goodness, look at the quality. Check out the sweater knots here, the sweater ropes, they're beautiful. This just feels like such a luxurious piece. And I have to say, every single article of clothing from the Modern Prep capsule is insane. The Hilfiger collection is just top notch. It's the luxury mood of Tommy Hilfiger, which obviously is right up my alley. I freaking love this. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy that this is in my collection. I'm beyond thrilled right now, guys. Oh, look at this tag. That's how we know, you guys. First and foremost, it feels super soft. It just gives you an experience all on its own. I posted about this and Tommy said he's gonna try to find it for me. And here we are. This is insane. I'm super beyond thankful for these gifts. If you are watching this, Tommy, this honestly means the world to me. I'm beyond grateful, thankful. This is incredible. It's gonna take me a moment to really absorb all this because it's a dream of mine to really work with Tommy Hilfiger and be a part of the family. And I'm excited to see where this relationship goes forward with the brand. And I'm excited that you guys are all on this journey with me from the very beginning. And we're just getting started, guys. So hopefully enjoy this intimate moment with me, sharing a gift from Mr. Hilfiger himself. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed hanging out with me, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to click the notification bell. That's very important because that's going to notify you when I upload new content. So if you want to stay in touch and on this journey, gotta click that bell so you're notified when I upload new content. If you are not already, please follow the House of Hilfiger, which is my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger Instagram page. Basically, I share my entire collection, new pieces, upcoming pieces, new drops. I share a lot of you guys on there from the Tommy community because we are what? A family. And if you tag and hashtag House of Hilfiger, I would be happy to share you on my page as well. So do not forget to do that. And I have a new personal Instagram. Unfortunately, my other one was hacked and then Instagram disabled it. So I'm starting from scratch at Schirra George. That's me. If you want to give that a follow as well, it's gonna be in the description down below along with everything else. And I'm gonna wrap this video, guys. I'm gonna take all this in and just try these pieces on. I'm gonna try this clothing and I'm gonna have myself my own little moment and take it all in. So until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.